Changing the language in the Reddit app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Reddit app. Launch the Reddit app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top left or top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to enter the account settings. Step 3. Find Language Settings. Scroll down through the settings menu until you find the language option. This may be listed under a section like General or Preferences. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to see a list of available languages. Choose your desired language from the list by tapping on it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your preferred language, exit the settings. The app should automatically update to display content in the chosen language. You may need to restart the app for the changes to take full effect. Now you can enjoy browsing Reddit in your preferred language. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the App as Help section or community forums.